Hey, I have got 3 good news for you. Wait, what am I saying? 3 good news? No, never say like that. I can say that I have got 3 pieces of information for you. Or you could say that I've got news for you. But never say that I've got 3 good news for you. We can never count news. Let's take one more example. Can I say that I have many money? No, never say like that. I can say that I have a lot of money. But money is uncountable noun, so I can never attach many with money. Interesting facts, right? You can always make use of them in your everyday life to make your English much more comfortable and attractive. To know more about such facts, see you in the next video.
स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम श्योर आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा। तो इसी तरह से इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से अगर आप सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स, थ्योरीज, डिफरेंट चैप्टर समझना चाहते हैं तो डाउनलोड करिए PuStack ऐप, क्योंकि इस ऐप पर आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। सैम्पल पेपर्स हो, टिप वीडियोस हो, डिफरेंट लेक्चर्स, बैक एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशंस, बहुत कुछ। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? डाउनलोड PuStack ऐप।